can see. So I'm waiting for this windshield to defrost. I'm at the shop right now picking the truck up. So the dump truck I mentioned in my last video has some issues with the wiring. So apparently, and I took a quick look at it and it's over my head. When they wired the bed at the factory, they just did a horrible job. I mean, it was, I didn't get any video or pictures of it. I wish I did. It was a mess. It was not professionally wired. So they basically just rewired the whole back of the truck. The brake lights were out, the blinkers were out, the dump body alarm ended up dying, but that was not working. The body lights were out. There was like 5 or 6 things wrong with it, so we just, you know, it would have taken us weeks to get it all figured out and chased. So brought it in the shop, they fixed it. Really good, really good job. Can't complain about the price. They basically charged me nothing for it. So, but I gotta head back to the shop now. Just waiting for these this windshield to defrost a little bit. It's 29 degrees, a little cold this morning, and then we're gonna head out to the job. Do I get to get gas? No, we're good. So basically the job today, we're gonna be taking out an above ground pool and small little attached deck, getting rid of all that stuff, and then we're bringing in loom and topsoil and spread it in this place, kind of making all backyard space. So pretty good little job. Gonna spend the whole day there. Kind of in no rush this morning because it's so cold, we'll let everything warm up. Hoping that the pool's pretty much drained. We don't have to deal with water today. But that's what we get when we're doing pool work in November. It's a little uncomfortable, but it is what it is. So we'll see you guys shortly. All right, so we're here at the pool removal job. So this entire pool structure is going. Taking the entire pool down, the deck, everything all over here, and we're gonna fill this all in with fill and topsoil, make it all backyard. So I'm gonna start taking the pool apart now. Not bad for an hour. Entire pool's down, deck's down. We're just breaking up the final little pieces. Gonna clean up the area and then we'll start getting ready to bring some material in here to spread. Probably another half hour just cleaning up and loading the truck. All right, pool's gone. Just gonna pull up these bricks, get some of these flowers, shrubs, whatever you wanna call them, out. Clean the air up a little bit better, and then we're just gonna back drag all this stuff out, fill the low spots. The guys are getting some material now. We'll start spreading that when they get back.
But Eastern Pool was there picking some stuff up. Oh, sorry.
we're just wrapping this one up. Got done a lot faster than expected. We were done by noontime this day, which was no complaints there. We got a couple big projects we're starting in the next couple weeks, so there'll be a lot of videos coming out. And as you can see by the cold morning start, winter's right around the corner, so there'll be a lot more prep coming for winter season. So stay tuned to the channel. We'll do our best to get some videos out in the next couple weeks. Thanks for watching.